Rigole. Bon, je suis venu devant vous encore une autre fois. Alors, comme vous déjà savez, je m'appelle Dhananjay Dhondial. I have come in front of you again. And as you know, I am Dhananjay Dhondial. Et je suis un professeur de français. Et je vais vous enseigner quelques leçons en français. And I'm a French teacher. I'm going to teach you some lessons in French language. Bon, alors, je crois que c'est le 5e ou 6e vidéo de moi en français. I think this is the 5th or 6th video of mine tant que le français est concerné, as far as French language is concerned. Alors, dans cette vidéo, on va discuter de les articles. In this video, we are going to discuss, on va étudier, we are going to study de l'article, about the articles. Okay? En français, alors, on le dit les articles. In French, we say les articles. Je vous ai déjà enseigné, I have already taught you dans mon previous vidéo. Ça c'est quoi? Quand il y a le mot qui termine en consonne et le deuxième mot qui commence avec le voyelle, alors dans ce cas, on les prononce ensemble. When a word ends in a consonant, next begins with a vowel, we pronounce both the words together. Ça, on a déjà étudié. That we have already studied in previous videos. Les articles, that means the article. Et comme vous déjà savez, les articles en anglais, c'est sont deux types. As you already know, the articles in French, in English, there are two types. Quand même en français aussi, les articles sont deux types. Also, in the same manner, the articles are of same two types in French also. There are two types, les articles définis, les articles indéfinis. The definite articles and the indefinite articles. Aujourd'hui, on va discuter avec les articles définis. Today we are going to study about the definite articles. Les articles définis. Définis veut dire quoi? Définis means what? Definite. Les articles définis. Alors, j'ai écrit en hindi aussi pour vous aider. I have written in Hindi also for helping you out. The definite articles. The. In English, definite article is the. And for this the, in French, we have three words. We may write le, you know, in my previous video I taught you, last E is mute in French. So you'll read it as le. Or we may also write la. You know the last vowel is pronounced except E. And L-E-S, le, the last consonant is mute. So we want to know when can we use le, or la, or le. That's the question in our mind, of course, in your mind also. The answer to that question is if the noun, le nom, that means noun. If the noun is masculine but singular, then for this the you will write le. But if the noun is feminine and singular, then for the same article the you will write la. And if the noun is either masculine or feminine, but singular or plural, then you will write les. So les you will use in the plural sense, irrespective of its gender. Alors, on va le comprendre mieux par quelques exemples. We are going to understand it better by some examples. Par exemple, on veut dire the man en français. Comment est-ce qu'on peut le dire en français? We want to say the man in French, so how can we say? Well, man, masculine, so we will say le, and then to man, I taught you, it is homme, S is mute, last E is mute in French, so we'll just read this much, le homme. But we know, if a word ends in a vowel, next begins with a vowel or muted, in that case the first vowel is usually replaced by an apostrophe, and then both the words will be written and spoken together. Therefore, you will write it like this, and you will speak it together, l'homme. All these things I have already explained you in the previous videos. Now you want to say the woman. So here the noun is feminine. So for saying the you write la femme. Last is mute and F-E-M-M you will pronounce, but you won't pronounce it like femme. Certain things are traditional. So it's femme. So la femme. But if you want to say the men, now it's plural. So if it is plural, then for the same the you write les and homme, H-O-M-M-E-S. I taught you in the previous videos lessons that plurality does not affect the pronunciation of a French word. So to make it plural, I have added s, but its pronunciation will remain same. And the last is mute. So the last es, they are mute. S is mute. So you will read it le, but if a word ends in a consonant, next begins with a vowel or mutate, in that case both the words will be pronounced together. So S gives the sound in between vowels. S has got no consideration. So it will be les gens. If you want to say the women, so for plural you write les, even though it is feminine, and femme you have added s, but you won't pronounce it, so it is les femmes. Then the question arises in our mind when you want to say woman in singular form, its pronunciation is femme, and in plural, again its pronunciation is femme, then how the writer will come to know when he has to write, singular or plural? Well, the answer to this question is, in French, nouns are always written and spoken with the articles. So when anybody happen to say, a singular woman or plural, he will always say it with the articles, like la femme or les femmes. So it is la or les articles which will help the writer to understand if it is singular or plural. And if you have really understood this part, then I have certain questions for you, and I'm sure you will respond to those questions through comment box, and I'll definitely answer. So for you the questions are like this. The student is étudiant, and that's masculine, of course, I'm talking about. So you will write it exactly the way we have done here. And the next is the girl. Girl is called fille. In French, double L is mute in between I and E. So how do you write it? That's what you tell me. And the students and the girls. So that's your job. You please write it. Tell me, be in touch with. Si vous avez aimé le vidéo, alors vous pouvez l'abonner et vous pouvez le partager avec les autres personnes aussi. If you have really liked the video and if you really find it is worthwhile to the society, you please subscribe it and you can share it with the other people also. Pour le moment, c'est assez pour aujourd'hui et on peut se voir bientôt. For the moment, that's all, and we will see, very soon in my next video. Hare Krishna. Au revoir. Thank you.